So you might be asking yourself, why use Mars resources? Why not bring a bunch of materials to Mars? And the reason why is because it costs so much money to send a set amount of mass into space. So we have to be smart and think of innovative ways of using the resources, in situ resources on Mars, to build our new homes there.
Yeah, so what we did was we came up with several ideas about that project, and we pitched that to NASA and Buzz Aldrin and the sponsors, and from there we decided on one idea.
And so our first idea was to 3D print using Mars regolith, but ultimately we came into some roadblocks, and we came to our final decision to change our design. So we decided to do more of a bulk sintering. So 3D printing is more layer by layer. Bulk sintering, you can be more efficient with your time and power, so you're doing a whole brick.
So you pour the sand into the mold and you heat it up really hot. You put it in like a furnace or a microwave or whatever, you heat it up really hot, and it basically just on a molecular level, it kind of just melts together. So it goes in like sand at first and it comes out a solid brick. So what we're doing is we adapted that into our design by, we have this, we have these mold walls here. So the systems would come in, they would fill up the sand, the Mars, regolith, into this mold wall. The microwave hood would come down, and it's basically a microwave up here, and it shoots some microwaves onto it, it heats it up, and you have this kiln inside of it that all the microwaves go into it, and it just magnifies it. It just amplifies it by a lot, so it gets really hot inside of just a conventional microwave.
So basically we had 3 teams working together on different subsystems and making a big system all together. There's a systems team who is basically responsible to collect the Mars regolith, and they're gonna filter it, and then they're gonna pass it to our system. And then the third team, which is robotics team, what they will do, they will come and pick up the brick and they will try to assemble it into a wall. What we are trying to show to our client, which is NASA JPL, is that this can be done, and it's a proof of concept we are giving to them. So if they like it in future, so they can go ahead and implement it.
So you can even look at this as like really almost like a step 1 for a project that NASA would actually take on. For us, it's an entire project, it's a whole year of work. But for them, they could look at this as just a first step.
I know for me and my team all together, we're very honored to be doing such an innovative project with NASA JPL. We are thankful that they let us branch out and get creative and be a part of the exploration to Mars and putting our footprint there.